Get ready for the Motorola Razr Fold. This game-changing foldable phone is poised to make a massive splash in 2025, but a looming threat from the anticipated iPhone Fold could cut its moment short. Motorola is making its first significant move into book-style foldables, bringing an 8.1-inch main screen that's brighter than any rival, ready to challenge even the mighty Galaxy Z Fold 7. Viewers keen to be first can find links in the video description to buy this cutting-edge device early. With an enormous 6,000 mAh battery, 80-watt wired, and 50-watt wireless charging, the Razr Fold absolutely outclasses the competition in endurance. It's powered by a blazing Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor and boasts an impressive IP48 and IP49 rating for water and dust resistance, making it surprisingly durable for a first-generation book-style foldable. Its stylus support via the Moto Pen Ultra even fills a gap left by Samsung. Despite Motorola's impressive growth in the foldable market, reaching 44% share in North America, all eyes are on Apple. Rumors are rife about the iPhone Fold's 2025 debut, which could completely overshadow Motorola's launch. Will the Razr Fold cement Motorola's dominance? Or will the long-awaited iPhone Fold steal its thunder? This isn't just a phone, it's a battle for the future of foldable tech.